Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you why I prefer to buy this selfie stick come tripod. See, right now I'm just using this as the tripod. See here, I have fixed my camera to record something on my TV for the tutorial purpose. That's how we can send some files from mobile to TV. So I already uploaded a video on that. You can check in the description. And now I'll tell you why I preferred. And the brand is from Tiger. I can directly buy the tripod. Why I buy this Bluetooth enabled selfie stick? See here, this button, this button is the Bluetooth button. Means if I click on this, this will capture a picture on the selfie camera or the rear camera, whatever it may be. First, this Bluetooth and this phone has to be connected, and this is the basically Bluetooth come selfie enabled, and the cost is very affordable. I purchased this for just 300 rupees on Flipkart, I guess. Yes, Flipkart or Amazon, I didn't remember exactly, but I bought this for 300, and that too with the Bluetooth enabled. And both ways I can use this tripod come selfie stick. One thing, I can just close like this and take a selfie, because this adjustment will move here like this. So imagine this one like this. This is the selfie stick, and I can use this as the tripod also. Don't worry about this one. This lock, I kept it as the weight, because when I use this as the tripod, this has to hold the weight of the mobile, right? That's the reason I kept this lock as the weight. And coming to my experience of using this tripod, see, as I place this tripod, I can record the videos at this place from unboxing. Means to unbox this, I can keep the position of my camera like this, and I can place the unboxing here without any person help. I can record the videos. For this, I don't need to buy another tripod. Means basically at that point of time when I buying this tripod come selfie stick, my budget is very low. So this will be useful for the people who want to spend a little amount of money at the starting stage. When you really grow up, you can really buy a very worthy this one up and quality tripods. But for the beginners, this Tiger, I'll attach the product here, you can check it. I'm really satisfied with this. I'm using this since 3 months. Yes, I bought this before 3 months, and now for the 3 months I have recorded like 15 videos, and that is very good. I really feel this is worthy. And coming to this mouse, I bought for 300 Portronics Dot 23 wireless with this Bluetooth receiver. It works. This works with the battery. And this comb cum massager, this also for the 300. I done a detailed unboxing videos for each of these products, even for this laptop also. All will be available under the description, and I'll also tag the products. If you do have any other questions, even this TV is the 4K TV, which is Thomson TV, and this is the JBL box. All the videos have separate videos. Please do check in the description, and I'll also attach in the products list. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.